My academic advisor really has been helpful since my first year here at IU. She kind of really laid out the map for me. I came to IU not really knowing what I wanted to major in, but she just had a lot of resources and allowed me to reach out to different academic advisors as well.
This semester, like my first semester here, I spent a lot of time just trying to make sure I had a good plan going. And I think that's really important, is just to make sure what is the direction I'm going in for the next few years. Like, I just need a rough outline of what's going on. And especially as a transfer student, I think that was really important because I've done all this other work at my previous institution, and it's like, how does that stack up to everything else here?
My academic advisor helped me a lot, especially when I was trying to change my major, which made a big difference because I had all the resources given to me that I needed to help make that decision. I use degree maps a lot to navigate how I want the rest of my college experience to go, and so sometimes I'll plan it out and see how I can see everything that I can do throughout my time at IU.
I set up an appointment, and that was my own initiative, so I had to sit down, search up academic advisors that were under my school, and then I met with one, and she was really helpful. She kind of listed out the classes that I would have to take, but also potential classes for a different degree if I was interested in switching schools. And that kind of helped me figure out whether I wanted to stay in the same school that I was in or switch degrees and pursue something that I truly enjoyed.
In order to meet with your academic advisor, you have to be the one to take the initiative and reach out and schedule that appointment. So for me personally, in the College of Arts and Sciences, that looks like using the Student Appointment Scheduler, or SAS, through one.iu. Other schools may have different means and methods to schedule those appointments. Once you've met with your academic advisor and planned out what courses you're going to take, you have to go in and actually schedule those courses into your schedule yourself.
So registering for classes is actually pretty intuitive. I was kind of surprised at how effectively I was able to sort of basically have a roster of all the classes that I could potentially take, and the way the class search and the shopping cart is set up in the One IU platform, it really allows you to sort of, configure all these possibilities. Okay, so what if this class is full? All right, take that out, see, if I can find something that fits in there.
When the time came for registration, I was really just able to do it all on my own, and I always had a backbone to go back and ask questions and really just utilize my resources.